lower? Jesus Christ! Airport! Did anybody leave any food in here? Hello? I can put my backpack in there.
Caitlin!
Tight on my pants.
I think you should leave that there. Caitlin!
I get on my pants. What?
Let's leave the microwave here.
Okay, let's go.
No, just leave it alone.
Why? Nobody's noticed yet. Ow! Fucking Jesus!
Oh god.
There we go.
Okay, let's drop it off over here. Because we're not taking that to school.
It's so cute!
Okay, leave it here. Caitlin, seriously. Caitlin! 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 Just leave it here. No. We're gonna leave my grave here and walk away.
But can't I just leave it by the school and just leave it outside of the school, okay?
No.
Genius!
Oh god. We're leaving it. Ow!
Sorry.
We're leaving it over here. Leave it right in the middle of the sidewalk.
I don't have paper.
Leave it right in the middle of the sidewalk.
Plug it into a tree. It's upside down. Oh! The beast!
Good enough. Bye.